Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, TJ's Life, and I am TJ. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome back. And if you're just passing through and just checking out my channel, welcome. Today I am going to get you guys caught up on my budgeting for, let's say from May 12th through the 25th, which was yesterday, because I can't really remember if I did one for the 25th. I mean for the week of May 12th through the 18th. So, I have everything here. I have everything in here written down. All we're going to do is go into my do my weekly check-in for these past couple of weeks. I have some of the numbers filled in, but I don't have the numbers filled in for the 19th through the 25th. So let's get caught up with the other part first. So for the week of May 12th through the 18th, in expenses I spent $567.89. Auto pays $115.10. Groceries $184.71. Miscellaneous $146.41, and $20 in unbudgeted. I've already did the calculations as I mentioned before and brought them over here, so we're going to go ahead and fill in from the 19th through the 25th. So I'm going to do it like this, and I have my calculator right here. So let's see here. So from the 19th, first thing we're gonna go into is into expenses, and I don't think I spent anything in expenses for this week, and I did not. So that's gonna give me about, I didn't spend anything, so $0, and that's still gonna leave me with $534.11. Okay, and then so next we're gonna do auto pays. So, double check here. Only thing was $21.34. Set this to the side. $21.34. Okay. Then for grocery, I went to the grocery store a few times. So on the 19th, $27.35. On the 22nd, $11.57. On the 23rd, $19.49, and then on the 24th, $28.99, which gives me a total of $87.40. Okay, nothing for eating out. Miscellaneous on the 19th, $41.26, and $8, and $7.58. And then $26.14. That's a total of $82.98. Okay, and then I'll do that in a second. So unbudgeted, nothing in unbudgeted. So this is just how I do my budget, because I know I'm going to have to shift some numbers around. So here, see what color pen. I usually like to use a blue, so we'll just use this color here. I already know I had gotten, let me see, how much was it? 60, 70, it was $80 plus $80. So that's $97.42. Oh, can make that a $97.42. Okay, so now we're gonna do the calculations here. So, as mentioned before, I didn't spend anything in expenses, but I did an auto pay. I spent $21.34, so that's $483.96, which is my previous balance minus $21.34. Equals $462.62. Then I had $91.18. I spent $87.40. And that's for groceries, $3.78 left over. And then eating out, I didn't spend anything, so $68.30. Then $97.42, previous balance minus $82.98 equals $114.44. And then I didn't spend anything in my unbudgeted. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring these totals and carry them over to down here. Alright, so we got 5, 34, 11, 462, 62, 378 grocery, but I'm going to take from not my auto pay, those are expenses. I'm going to take it from my unbudgeted and add it to this. And how I do that, I'm going to add 200. Yeah, no, I'm going to add 150. That's 150. Alright. So, obviously, that's going to change this to 153.78. And then, I had, for eating out, I still had $68.30 left. Miscellaneous, $14.44. And then, what I'm going to do with that, though, miscellaneous, I usually spend more money. So I'm going to add $80 to that, and I'm taking it from the unbudgeted. Plus $80. So 80 plus what we got? Miscellaneous plus 14.44 equals 94.11. 94.11. And then, like I said, I'm subtracting it from the 313.20. So 313.20 minus $80. It's going to give me $233.20. So let me go over here because this is where I'm taking it from. Minus, and put minus $80 here. Okay, and that's it, pretty much. Like I said, I just wanted to come on here real quick, do a quick short budget check-in or weekly budget check-in. And so I got everything here. Put the pages back in here. In case anybody is wondering, this is a printable from the Budget Mom. It's her Budget by Paycheck Workbook. I have been using, and I purchased this online just so I can download it and print it myself because I wanted it to be on disc. Hold on, guys, I gotta find my pages here. Okay, here we go. Put these back. This back. Okay, and then as you guys can see, I have this stuff listed here. This is from my Chime account, my Chime card. I really don't use it that much, but I've been using it a lot this month. So I had transferred some money over to that. So what I did was, I knew I was going to have an extra expense tracker for the month. So what I did was, this is the Chime account right here. And I should probably highlight these categories. I just knew I was going to have an extra page, so I went ahead and set this one up just for my Chime account. So let me get my markers here so I can highlight these things. Alright, so I'm going to start with grocery and highlight that first. If you've never tried the Budget Mom and you came across it, you don't have to purchase really anything. You just go to her website and then you register so that you can receive an email, and once you get that, then she'll send you a special code to use in her resource library, and you can print out your own budget sheets from there. I couldn't even tell you how many examples there are, things that are printable on that page, and you can just start it off that way without purchasing, just in case you just want to, just try it out for maybe like 3 months. And if you like, how it's set up, then you can go ahead and purchase yourself either a hard copy of the Budget by Paycheck Workbook, or you can download it, and that way, what I did was I started using it a few years ago, so this was not the design of how it is now, and I think she does it like every few years. Once you get the email, you'll get a notification of when the new ones are going to come out, and you can just purchase it that way. That's what I did. Okay, so let me go back and highlight these things. Budget category, unbudgeted. Put this out of the way. This is in the way. Okay, then next I'm going to do miscellaneous. It's orange. I'm sorry, I have to turn it sideways. Here, miscellaneous, and miscellaneous. Alright, and I just find I use a color coding method. It's just easier for me to track everything. I still gotta highlight that. I gotta fill in something right there. I know what it was. So that was YouTube. And that was the 23rd. Make sure, double check. No, YouTube. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. YouTube comes out on the 23rd. And okay, so that's auto pay. Auto pay for Google storage. And then okay, I already got that calculated. Auto pay is pink. And these are just expense trackers that I purchased from Sweet Bunny Blessings on Etsy. So we got YouTube and Google storage. $212 and $14.93. That's on the 23rd. Now on my monthly overview, you'll see things that are color dotted. That's how I'm tracking my spending off of my Chime card. Okay, got that. Alrighty. So let me hurry up here. Then I have my little cheat sheet here. So this is like the first half of the month. This is the second half of the month. This here, you know, when you have to pay fees, and I have my account numbers on here, so it's just easier for me to look at the sheet of paper that I have here. But so for me, as far as no spend days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pretty good. I have the Happy Planner budget sticker book. So for paydays, I just put this down, and then what I decided to do for each payday, I'm just going to put how much my deposit was here. I really don't do a lot of decorating, and unless I have stickers. Like last month, I ordered stickers, but I didn't order any this month. But this is how I track everything. This, and then as you can see, there's a lot going on this month. Spending tracker, all color coded and everything. And then sometimes I make like little notes to myself on these pages as well. But that is it. I don't want to keep on rambling on. I just wanted to show you guys or come back in with a update on my spending trackers. And until next time, bye bye.